Good morning. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is the end of the week. Today is Saturday, November 14th, and this episode will be short because what I do is I just copy my transaction history from Friday into the spreadsheet and I pivot it. All I'm going to do for today's episode, let's take a quick look. Okay, let me grab this out. So these expired worthless. And yesterday transactions are down here. Okay. And then I just paste it into here like I always do. Is that the right column? I think so. Again, this is from my ETrade account. So we just have to scroll down, take a quick look. Let's just grab this out. 13. Those are useless. I don't copy any of those. I delete those anyway. And here you go. So let me just take a quick look. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is just clean it up. We're going to delete all these adjustments. They're useless. Same thing with these transfers. Useless. Adjustments are useless. Dividends are not useless. I do want to track those. So I'm going to just copy everything back into its place and save you guys some time. So based on this, everything look okay. I think I set all the fields correctly. Dividends have to be, they're not an options method, but they are a dividend because I do want to track those. So I have to make sure I set these columns correctly. I have to make sure all the tickers are correct. The times and the dates are fine because those are imported in. And the only other thing I had to make sure is, in order to avoid double counting, you do want a dividend purchase and a dividend. And then when you do a pivot, you only count it once. And the last thing I always do is just reformat that. Okay, I think we're ready. So let me just make sure they're all the same fonts, just for myself. As always, go to the top, we do the pivot, and let's see what there you go. Yesterday was, again, not a lot of activity, but I expected that. It was just $91, but most of it was dividend. You see that? I received a couple of dividends from a bank and from one of my oil pipelines, I think. And if you pivot here, do a quick refresh. There you go. It's up. I'm still suffering from my iron condors, but I have 2 more weeks. We'll end this month pretty good. And that's the quick update for this trading week. Not a bad week. Much better than last week. Last week I had a lot of election risk and I had to close out some of my positions and take a loss. This week, not so much. I'm already planning out writing options to Christmas around December 18 and the 24. So that's what I'm starting to do now. This brings us to the end of this episode. Let's share this with our friends. I'm here to teach you guys. I'm here to help you win with money. Let's do this together, and let's do this $1 at a time. Have a profitable day.